Good morning class. As you know, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 1.4 up to 4th question. In this video we will solve the question number 5th and 6th. So look at the solution of question number 5th. In question number 5th, Manit's house is at a distance of 9 by 16 km from Jatin's house and Jatin's house is at a distance of 3 by 4 km from the school. If Manit goes to Jatin house and then goes to the school with Jatin, what is the total distance he travels in the morning and the afternoon? So in this question beta, let us suppose this is Manit house denoted by M and this is Jatin house denoted by J and this is the school denoted by S. The distance between Manit and Jatin house is given and that is equal to 9 by 16 km. Okay. And the distance between Jatin house and school is given, this is equal to 3 by 4 km. And Manit firstly goes to the Jatin house and then goes to the school with Jatin. So how much distance he has travelled? He has travelled this distance and also this distance. How can we calculate the total distance? By adding these two. Okay, so the total distance in the morning traveled by Manit is equal to 9 by 16 plus 3 by 4 km. Okay. And also we have to calculate the distance traveled by Manit in the afternoon. And that is equal to the same distance. Because in the afternoon, Manit come back to the home by the same way. Firstly he come to the Jatin house and then he goes to his own house. And the distance traveled by the Manit on the afternoon is same as the morning distance. Okay. So to find the total distance, firstly we find the morning distance and then simply multiply that distance by 2 to find the total distance. Okay. Clear? So firstly we have to find the total distance traveled by Manit in the morning. And to find this, let us look the solution. Okay. So the distance traveled by Manit in the morning is equal to 9 by 16 plus 3 by 4. Okay. When we add two rational numbers, firstly we have to find the LCM of denominator. So the LCM of 4 and 16 is 16. So this is equal to 16. When 16 is divided by 16, what we have? We have 1 and 1 should be multiplied by 9. Put the same sign, as there is plus, there is also plus. When 16 is divided by 4, what we have? We have 4. And we have to multiply this 4 to 3. And this will become equal to 16, 9 1 ja 9 plus 3 4 ja 12. And the distance traveled by Manit in the morning will become equal to 21 by 16 kilometer, as 12 plus 9 is equal to 21 and by 16 remains same. So this is the distance traveled by Manit in the morning, and same distance Manit travel in the afternoon. So the afternoon distance is also equal to 21 by 16. So from here we can calculate the total distance traveled by the Manit in the morning and as well as in the afternoon. So the total distance traveled by Manit is equal to twice of distance traveled by the Manit in the morning. So the total distance traveled by by Manit is equal to twice of the distance traveled by Manit in the morning. Look at here, both are rational number and multiplication is done in this, and multiplication should be done from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. And then we have to check whether there is a common factor between numerator and denominator. So there is a common factor, that is 2, between 2 and 16. After cancelling this common factor, this 2 will become 1 and this 16 will become 8. So the answer is equal to 21 by 8 kilometer. So this is the answer of your question 5th. This is the solution of your question 5th. I hope you will get it. Now we will solve our question number 6th. So look at the statement of question number 6th. So the question number 6th is beta 18 dresses of equal size are stitched from a cloth whose length is 153 by 6 meter. 153 by 6 meter. And the cloth required to stitch the one dress we have to calculate. What is given? The amount of cloth for 18 dress is given and we have to calculate the amount of cloth required for one dress. As you know, if you have total pen and their price is 100 rupees and you have to find the price of one pen. Price of one pen, how can you calculate? By dividing the total price by the number of pen. So this is the total price and this is the number of pen and you have to find the price of one pen. So to find the price of one pen, you have to divide the total amount by total number of pen and the simply we can calculate the price of one pen, that is equal to 10. In the same manner, here we have given the total amount of cloth for the 18 dress and we have to find the amount of cloth for one dress. So here what we have to do? Here we have to division. So in 6th question, clothes for 18 dress is equal to 153 by 6 meter and cloth for one dress is equal to 153 by 6 divided by 18. We can write 18 as 18 by 1. So we have to solve this division. Look at here, this is also rational number, this is also rational number, and division of rational number, how can we solve? Firstly we change the division into multiplication. What we have to do? We have to change the division into multiplication and the second rational number will become its reciprocal, and so 18 by 1 become 1 by 18. Now what we have to find? We have to find whether there is a common factor between numerator and denominator. So 9 is the highest common factor between 18 and 153. When we cancel this common factor, this 18 will become 2 and this 153 will become 17 because 17 9 ja 153. So after solving this multiplication, this is equal to 17 by 12 because 17 1 ja 17 and 6 2 ja 12. So the amount of cloth required for one dress is equal to 17 by 12 meter. What is the amount? The amount is 17 by 12 meter. So your answer is 17 by 12 meter. So this is the solution of your question number 6. So the exercise 1.4 is also completed beta. If you have any doubt in your first chapter, we will take that doubt in the online class, and please try to do the questions given on the page number 24, 26, 27 of your math book. Okay. All questions are based on the addition, multiplication and division of rational number. You can do by yourself. Try to do them. Thank you. Have a nice day.